Amber Baker. Mission: building brand presence on social media and the web with imagination, ingenuity, and originality. Values: family, life, innovation, perseverance, strength, adventure. Goals: to continue to grow and excel as a marketing manager. At an early age, I was challenged to be self-sufficient in order to overcome my circumstances growing up in New Orleans. That strength helped mold my creativity and passion for brands and enhancing them. My perseverance has led me to motivate and inspire others to establish and achieve their brand goals. Now, a married mother of one with 7 years in the marketing field, I have consistently come up with innovative ways to build brand presence on multiple media platforms. Culturally competent, environmentalist, member of the LGBT community, belongs to strong leadership groups, skilled in Microsoft Excel, Word, Access, Python, team building, creating digital brand stores, running analytic reports, social media managing, and public speaking. Strong administrative professional. Amber Baker, passionate, organized, proactive.